What up, YouTube? I'm back with another banger. In today's video, we're gonna be taking out the fuel rail, taking out the plenum, and in this video, we're gonna do the fuel rail gaskets, the O-rings, my bad. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing the O-rings on the injectors on this side. This side is good. I believe my tuner said this side is which is leaking. One of them are leaking in this side. I don't know which one yet, but we'll see which one it is. It should be easy. I know I'm going to disconnect this fuel line hose right here. If you disconnect this, because it goes right there to the injectors. So on the last time I bent this right here. So on another engine, taking out the fuel rail. So that's what we're going to do. I already loosened everything. So as you see, taking everything apart. First step, 16 millimeters, 16, 16, 10, 10, 10, pretty simple. All right, YouTube, so I kind of messed up, but I got it in, but I'm gonna show you with this plenum and this fuel rail. So what you do is, if you're changing your O-ring gaskets, you get a little flathead or a flathead like that, and if it's too tight, you can put it under there and put your thumb and pull it up, or if it's already loose, you can just grab it and pull it up as well. And then if you're trying to take off this little cap, just get a flathead and put it under and it comes right off. It's pretty simple. Now, when you're putting it on, I recommend trying to not destroy your these bolts. I kind of threaded this incorrectly and I broke it. I threaded it sideways, but I got a tap and die set and I fixed it. So once all that is in, it's pretty simple, like the last video I did. Pretty easy to install. Right now I'm doing my spark plugs. That's pretty simple, I'm not gonna go a YouTube video on that, but I hope this helped you out if you're having strong idle issues or you're idling with pretty different, mine crap got fucked up, I ain't gonna lie. This one doesn't have a cap. I tried to put a cap on that, it didn't work, so I'm just gonna leave it how it is. I put new injector rings, on all of them. So this should fix my problem. I had one leaking injector. That's what my tuner said, and this is why I'm fixing it. And might as well do the spark plugs and all that. All right, guys, I put everything back together. So far, I even did that. That's my little contraption. But overall, it sounds a little bit healthier. It's not idling as rough anymore. It sounds different from the exhaust. But overall, I think we did it. Also, don't mind that. I kind of broke that side, and yeah, so I gotta get the new reservoir by next week or in 2 weeks, and that's pretty much it. Overall, it sounds healthier, way healthier. So I'm gonna clean up, take the car for a spin, and let's see if it works. Let me rev it to make sure the throttle actually works, because last time it didn't work. So let's see if it works. Let's see. Come on, work. It works. All right. Throttle works, which is good. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up, let it car idle, warm up, and take it for a spin. Alright, guys. So I drove the car for a couple of days. I did the injectors and cleaned everything inside the engine bay. It fixed my rough idling problem, so the car would idle pretty rough. It doesn't do that anymore when I stop, so it fixed that. It just has a slight hesitation, but once the engine is warmed up, that slight hesitation goes away. I don't know what it is, but it might be some other issue I'm having with it. I do have a check engine light, but it might be a completely different issue. But overall, I've been driving it pretty hard, and I haven't had a rough idle in a while. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please take care, stay safe.